Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN bulls tried to show up today. They did for the start of the day, and then a big upper wick of profit taking formed. And I still like the potential for Netflix, or I should say for PCLN here, to be a bear if we see market weakness and further consolidation. We have to lose the daily middle Bollinger Band. Otherwise, I don't like it in either direction right now. So a loss of the daily middle Bollinger Band, and I'll be looking down at 1806 and 1774 supports. And if we see the bulls show up and break up towards the 100-day moving average and the upper Bollinger Band, then we'll be looking at bullish continuation of higher lows and higher highs. And the weekly time frame is why I'm looking for weakness, because of the backtest and rejection on a very weak bounce following the dump from earnings, very little recovery, exponential moving averages, as well as the middle Bollinger Band rejecting the price, and the bears close to taking back over if these higher lows are lost. NVDA, huge follow through for the bulls on blue sky breakout news, big time move, but a shooting star, a bearish reversal shooting star with an upper wick of profit taking. Upper Bollinger Band support will be catching up the next 2 days, and we're looking at support of 184.86. If we break that level, we'll start to fill the gap back down here, and the upper Bollinger Band will be tested sooner rather than later. But congrats to the bulls, huge move over 2 days, and the weekly time frame trying to close above the upper Bollinger Band, but a big gap on the weekly as well. Very consistent lower volume over the past few months, so just keeping an eye on some normal healthy consolidation after a huge 2-day breakout. Tesla, new all-time high. Correlation with NVDA is certainly there. Upper wick of profit taking as well from that all-time high. But we've been breaking out above the upper Bollinger Band now for 3 days in a row. Bulls are in full control. If we lose the upper Bollinger Band, we'll look for normal healthy consolidation. As soon as 370 broke, if you've been watching these videos, we knew that after 370, we were looking towards the all-time high. And it took about 2.5 days to get there once that level broke. So it was the lack of resistance after 370 that had us looking there. Upper Bollinger Band resistance is 391, testing that level right now. And we pulled back just shy under that level. Netflix bulls trying to establish their higher low on the daily time frame. They see everybody hitting their all-time highs. They want to get there as well. Support is 181.43, and resistance is 190 really from here. 190 and 190.150 the all-time high. So if bulls can see some follow-through, they will continue this stair-step pattern of higher lows and higher highs. And this was the highest price that we've seen on this bull move today. So nice job by the bulls seeing continuation. Weekly time frame, it's all whether about we see a new all-time high or a bearish candlestick indicating an equilibrium pattern and a tightening range is likely to form. At this point, we don't know just yet, but the daily time frame does have a slight bull lean. Checking in on CMG, still in an equilibrium pattern. We had a very clear bear dump day. We have our low, high of the bounce, higher low, lower high, higher low. Support right now is 301. 299 and 296, and resistance now established at 314.67. So much closer to a bear break than a bull break. We are on the verge of a bear break of the weekly inside bar, and just waiting for this tight equilibrium pattern to break, which could entirely happen tomorrow with how close we are to this bear break occurring. So if we do break 296, the bears will take back over fully, and there is very little support down below that level in the immediate. So that's where we stand. FOMC is on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Definitely need to be aware of that. It's going to have a significant impact on the market overall in the short term. And the tech sector saw some consolidation today. The financial sector held strong. So definitely watching those two sectors into Wednesday at 2 p.m. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow.